In order for me to get transportation destinations, I'll have to use Google Maps API, and then after I will link all the locations and load a code on a radio mobile, and the picture that you see below is a picture of a radio mobile configuration. Also, what I will need to do is to convert a dense network into a sparse network using one of network topology reduction techniques, which are node-aware topology reduction, NTPR in short, or I'll have to use a link-aware topology reduction, which is LTPR in short. But for this project, I'll only make use of NTPR as this project only employs NTPR. For testing and implementation, I'm going to implement a Conjure simulator where you can run and test your app on a simulated hardware, and also it can allow you to test your code before deploying it on a real world hardware. So I'm going to use this simulator to simulate an IoT. So the operation tools that I'm going to make use of is the RPL protocol and the software defining network, which is SDN. To find a dense network, I implemented a radio mobile, and then after that I imported the data, and then these images below are the images that I got after I imported the data of public transportation in Cape Town. The first image on my left side displays a map of Cape Town, which I'll use to find the public transportation, and the image on my right shows the location of the public transportation in Cape Town. So after I found the public location of transportation in Cape Town, I was able to find the dense network. So as you can see on the image on my left side, the red lines represent the power ties between the Cape Town public transport stations, whereas the green lines represent good interconnections, and the image on the right side represents a dense network, and from the dense network we could see that the public transportations in Cape Town, they really have their nodes linked together. And then from that, I was able to create a sparse network using Python programming language, which you can see it's the image on your left. And then after that, I also developed a spanning tree, which is the image on the right. And then finally, I created a conjure config to represent distinct nodes defining GPS coordinates in an IoT network. And then I ended up coming with an emulation result, as you can see on the picture, by making a use of a mode startup delay of 1000 meters per second. Thank you.